Hey, I'm Dr. Dennis. I am the Director of Testing, and I also am the Career Counselor.
Hello, I'm Mr. Leard. I'm over Student Services here, books, special education, parking, and lots of other things.
Hey, I'm Mr. LeCroy. I'm in charge of a bunch of different things here, cafeteria, buses, facilities, and the second half of the alphabet. Welcome back.
Hello, I'm Miss Powell. I'm over instruction as well as attendance, dress code, and grading. Welcome back.
Good afternoon, Bobcats, and welcome to Seneca High School. My name is Felicia Leroy, and I'm your principal here at Seneca High School. We're excited to have each of you, and I don't want you to worry about things. When you get here on Monday, on August the 24th, however you're coming to school, try to arrive somewhere between 8:30 and 8:40, and you will report to your first block teacher. At that point, that teacher will take it from there, and we will help you every step of the way. There is nothing to worry about. We look forward to seeing you, and it was a pleasure for our assistant principals to introduce themselves to you, and go Bobcats.
Hey, I'm Rachel Cannon and I'm the guidance clerk.
Hey y'all, I am Miss Nation. I'm school counselor for students with the last names of A to G. Look forward to working with you.
Hi, I'm Michelle Williams. I work with students whose last names are P through Z.
Danelle Cook, English 1 and English 2 honors, and also English 4 honors, second semester.
I'm Brad Bowen, I teach English 3.
Dana Fowler, English 2.
Donna Callick, AP Literature, English 4, Creative Writing, and Public Speaking.
Kaylee Kaler, English 1.
Hi, I'm Renee Bites. I teach AP Lang, Yearbook, English 2 Honors, and English 4 CP.
Hi, I'm Kelly Crow. I teach English 4 CP, and I'm the theater teacher, so I'll have a fine arts class.
Jennifer Hallwell, English 3 Honors SGA Advisor.
Hello, I'm Kristen Stansel. I am the ESOL teacher, so I work with all of our English learners.
My name is Kelly Green, and I teach Spanish at Seneca High School, and I'm in room 123. I have Spanish 3, 2, and 1 this year.
Hello everyone, my name is Miss McKinney, and I teach Spanish 1 and Spanish 2, and my classroom number is 124.
Hi, I'm Rachel Helms. I teach Spanish 1 and 2 at Seneca High School, and I'm room 122.
I'm Terry Robertson. I teach Geometry, Foundations, and Algebra 2.
I'm Mrs. Tebow. I teach AP Stats, Province Stats, and SAT Prep.
Hi, I'm Miss Taylor. I teach Geometry, Algebra 2, and Pre-Cal.
Hi, I'm Miss Inman. I'm teaching Algebra 1 Honors, Geometry Honors, and Foundations Algebra.
Yeah. Hey, I'm Miss Davis. I teach Algebra 2 Honors and Algebra 1.
My name is Mr. Sebeski. I'll be teaching Calculus and Algebra 1.
I'm Coach Kaler. I teach Foundations, Algebra 1, and Honors Pre-Cal.
I'm Coach Sorrells. I'm teaching Probability and Statistics and Geometry.
I'm Coach Wall. I'll be teaching Foundations, Algebra 2, and Pre-Cal.
Hey, I'm Cindy McKee. I teach the Fundamentals of Computing class. I am in room 218, which is upstairs. Go Bobcats.
Hey guys, I'm Kevin Paget. I also teach upstairs in room 220. I teach the CNN class, which is our school news, and entrepreneurship and digital desktop, and look forward to seeing you guys this year.
Hey, I'm Coach Pate. I'm in room 125. I teach Industrial Technology 1 and 2, and I also teach Introduction to Construction.
Hello Bobcats, I'm Ms. Wilson. I teach AP Psychology, and I hope you all have a great year.
Hi, I'm Miss Dunn. I teach CP US History, AP US History, and Honors US History, as well as AP US Government.
Hey guys, Coach Turner here. Teach government, econ, current events, and law ed. Hope you have a great year.
Hi, I'm Miss Carlisle, and I have Human Geography, AP Human Geography, AP Seminar, and Semester 2 I have AP Macro, AP Comparative Government, and Politics.
Hello, Bobcats. I'm Coach Holliday. This semester I'm teaching Sociology, Honors World History, and I have a Supervised Study class. Second semester I have all U.S. History. So I hope you have a great year.
Hello, Bobcats. I'm Carlton King, and I'm teaching Human Geography.
Tom Ritchie, History.
Welcome back, Bobcats. My name is Mr. Flynn. I'm teaching U.S. History first semester, and I'm teaching World History second semester.
Hello, my name is Lieutenant Colonel Henry E. Dela Cruz, and I am the Senior Army Instructor for the Army Junior ROTC program here at Seneca High School.
Good afternoon, my name is Sergeant Major Foster. I'm the Assistant Instructor, and we're looking forward to seeing everybody this year.
Hi Bobcats, this is Miss McFarland down in the chorus room, and of course I teach chorus and AP Music Theory, and this is my 32nd year at Seneca High School. Go Bobcats!
What's up guys, this is Mr. Scarbino here in the band room. I'll be teaching all of the instrumental band classes as well as the jazz band and the percussion ensemble. I'll also be taking over the general music classes and the color guard class. Go Bobcats!
Hey everyone, my name is Miss Steinert. I am the art teacher here at Seneca High School. This will be my 4th year teaching at the high school and my 13th year teaching overall. I teach all the levels of art here at the high school, so Art 1 through AP Art and everything in between, including gifted art. I can't wait to meet some new artists coming through my classroom door this year, and I also can't wait to see some returning faces.
Hello and welcome back to Seneca High School. Year 2020. It's been a crazy summer, but we're all excited to have you back and to get started rolling once again. I'm Mr. Warlick. I teach orchestra here at the high school. The early bird class is every day from 7:45 to 8:30, and the regular orchestra meets on A days, first blocks, and it's a year-long course. So look forward to having you all back in the classroom and making the best of the situation we have before us. Be well, and we'll see you shortly.
Hey, I'm Coach Stewart. I teach health and PE.
My name's Coach Bay. I'm the athletic director. I teach PE and weightlifting. I am the department head, which means I am their boss.
I'm Matt Crow. I teach PE and weightlifting.
Coach Crane. I'm head football coach and teach weightlifting.
I'm Brenda Sisson, and I am co-department chair of the Student Services Department, and I teach inclusion classes.
I'm Kelly Cooley, and I'm the other co-department chair for Student Services, and I teach the Transition to Independence and the Resource.
Hi, my name is Mr. Brad Martin, and I teach Resource.
Hey, I'm Mr. James Martin. I teach the multi-categorical behavioral inclusion class.
Hello, I'm Coach Jamie Hunter, and I'm over Graduation Services.
Hello, I'm Coach Tim Elrod. I teach the high school credential and life skills classes here at Seneca High School.
Hi, this is Mrs. Glenn. I am with the Student Services Department. This school year, I'm teaching students in the SDOC at Home program. I wish you all a great year.
Hey, I'm Chris White. I teach physics and physical science, and I'm our boys and girls track coach.
Hi there, I'm Joe LaFrancis. I teach chemistry and physics.
Hi, I'm Shannon Verissimo, and I teach chemistry.
Hi, I'm Jamie Shaw, and I'm teaching physical science.
Hello, I'm Stephen Evans. I teach anatomy and chemistry.
What's up, everybody? I'm Adam Hostler. I'm teaching astronomy and physical science, and I'm coaching baseball.
Hi, Daryl Jernigan. I teach biology and chemistry.
Hi, Lacey Fant, and I teach biology and chemistry.